George Lucas, the man who brought you Star Wars, Indiana Jones, American Graffiti, and Willow. Singin' in the Rain. Digitally remastered and restored in widescreen by George Lucas himself.
Good morning to you.
The way Gene Kelly originally intended it.
And the studio's special effects department had been disbanded. Part of that was because of the expense, and part of it was that the American taste, the culture had gone toward very realistic looking films.
It has a fiddle ready for love. I can jump over the moon up above. It has a fiddle and ready for love.
They had spent half their budget, and ultimately I had about 4 shots, none of which I would accept. They were just not good.
Soon the church bells will be ringing, and a march with bar and wall. Now the church bells will be ringing, with a hey nonny nonny and a ha-cha-cha.
Singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. Glorious feeling, I'm happy. I'm laughing at clouds.
The studio saw the film, they loved it. It's the first time I've actually shown a film, and one of the executives even cried at the screening. It was like very emotional for him. If I can get a room full of people and they enjoy it, then I've done whatever I hope to do.
Dancing and singing in the rain.